the top stories. And seat has been formed to deal with the activities of vehicle theft in Manipur, says Chief Minister N. Biren. Opposition Congress claims unruly behaviors of the representatives of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha. Residents blocked to approach land at Segar Road on Tirim against its deplorable condition. Modi congratulates scientists, healthcare providers, professionals, ordinary Indians for their support in fight against COVID-19. India records a total of 20,409 fresh COVID cases along with 32 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours. Hello, good evening. You're watching Pony TV English News. I'm Christina and now the news in detail. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren has stated that an SIT has been formed to deal with the activities of vehicle theft in Manipur, responding to a question raised by Kangabok MLA Okram Sura Kumar on the 5th day of the monsoon session of 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly. N. Biren said 284 vehicles have been able to recover and 243 thieves have been apprehended till July 25. He warned that in addition to stolen vehicles, vehicles without number plates will also be impounded.
Vehicle thefts si deal down na bakoi tuan ba team sem gre aduga loina na tawru matung ne koina 25 July bhabu da koina 284 vehicles koi recover to bunga mis haba su vehicle liter su mi chani nifu hum doi ni faris case lising ahum ga chawma trampan si mi amam na tawbuna te hariba 246 ge group point tor ga gari tara hura lamba manga hura lamba toramba adugumba mayan torga laibak thibana gari khara ma phangdabu yawe workshop ta kai da pusalaga thugai khiba tawgiba koncha on tholga yon adugumba gi pochu adum leite banate CCTV की सर्विलेंस याम करना कोई करना ले कमन कमांड सेंटर कोई हांगा करना याम ना पजना कोई मॉनिटर तो गुना खोतना याम करना मधु की हुसी की कोई 24/7 कोई करना वक्त होली मधु हेना करना तो होने बा सो कोई होना जगह ना थम जगह नंबर था तो है गाड़ी इलीगल गाड़ी के लोइना फार करना सीज तो हमें अदुगा कन्फिस्केट तो गनी अदुगा चे सांगाव बुसिंग तो नंग पीबा सिमिलरली डिस्ट्रिक्ट अतै दसु हाइबा सेम ऑपरेशन से कोई सथरी.
Chief Minister also added that between 2017 and 2020, including 193.9 kg of heroin powder, 2,690.6 kg opium, 1,626.5 kg and 225 liters brown sugar, WY tablet worth rupees 10 lakhs, 1 crore 8 lakhs 5,472 in numbers and 542.3 kgs. Approximately 2,158 suspects have been placed in judicial custody. 697 have been charged, 14 have been found guilty and 1,029 cases along with 17 final report cases are still pending.
Fatima might have a drug total number 4 heroin powder 193.9 kg, brown sugar 2,690.6 kg, opium 1,626.5 kg and 225 liters. WY tablet C 10 lakhs, 1 crore 8 lakhs 5,472 numbers and 542.3 kgs. aduga phagi ba mioi singi di 2017 dagina 22 phawbuda puna resta case se 1743 case restart hoye mioi lising ani ga samaga yankhai pan judicial remand custody da lei satruk ka marfudra ga tare charge togre mioi taraga mari conviction togre pending case 1029 lei aduga final report cases bika khaba 17 namaga leire.
Opposition MLA K. Ranjit during 0 hour of the ongoing session raised the unruly behaviors of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha representative who barged and attacked Congress office at BT Road. He asserted that it is normal to protest in democratic country, but violent and rowdy natures of the youths need to be tamed and accordingly taught morality.
Rang Taurambiba Congress Bhawan BT Rota Level Taurambibasi. Tauhai the Bahabatai, Congress Bhawan get the Kauba, Changba, MPCC, not Noble but securities in Isilina Suduna, Pong Lonzalaga, Iran, Tauduna Bahaga, Lonzandanas, no way party, security get Nai, but Maduya Hanzala Bauda, Songzalaga, Madu the Kausan, but China, Saitum the Tomson, but Machin Tiba, Mayama, the whole social media news, the Loino Unarvangatana, Hariba BJYMG, President Hariba Ibumo, do not losing a Hey, the Bachana, the Batava, Taudana MPCC, Maduda Office, the Carida, Amaka, and Batabak Tobose, Masi, Maite, Sarkarama, Leribani, Ayuebe, Mi Webe, Union Minister of Jail Sangi, Lana Torogadi, Akoi rules of law lay Habado, Badu Chapchana, I pumped and a colleague, Apaya Paiva Gomen, Paiva Party, Mangamba Panto, Noragadi, Akoi war, give him the luck, give him the letter.
On the other hand, BZYM has clarified that the incident ensued after weapons were brandished at them. Addressing a press conference held at the Thambal Sanglet at Nityaipat Chutek, Vice President Desraj Yumnam said that the members of BZYM were just there to protest against the derogatory remark made by Congress MP. The peaceful protesters were stoned from inside the Congress office and hence follow the reaction. He vowed that BZYM will never tolerate insult to a tribal, to a woman, and to a poor.
Ngasi conference hall sida electronic amadi print media sing representative sing lakpiriba punamak poi hakna kokno na khurumjari 15th president Srimati Draupadi Murmu India gi oina first tribal amadi anishuba nupi president oirakpasida Bharat ki praja punamakna thagatpa phungtok pirakli adubu nungaitabadi Srimati Sonia Gandhi na luchingliba Congress party na nungaitaba amadi karem kanthainaba mayam ma phungdorkli khudamdi Sri Adhiranjan Chaudhary na Bharat ki hairiba Rashtrapati hairiba wahayasi Rashtrapatni haina mayamda sambodhit tauki madu yamna hena women's society ra lairaba amadi tribal society bu yamna chaur sector ahumbu makhoina yamna hena usit thoidabani haibaje masi logjai aduna maram oiraga masi yaningde haiduna akoina ngarang 28 July 2022 da taureiba ikaiba pirekliba limitation do yam thine hele haiduna makhoida direct akoina yaningdabadu phongdok jarubani
Of Sega Road, Konjeng Hazari Lekai Gi jailer Leirak have begun indefinite blockade of two approach lanes against deplorable conditions of the road. Many took to street in the morning under the aegis of Konjeng Hazari Lekai Youth Development Club and Konjeng Hazari Lekai Nisaban Women Welfare Association to protest the insensitiveness of the authority concerned. Vehicular movements were prevented by using temporary fences at the entrance. Konjeng Hazari Lekai Nisaban Women Welfare Association member Takelambam Ongbi Rita said the roads were recently blacktopped without maintaining the quality and they are now in pathetic states. Potholes, mud and dust are creating dangers to the residents of the neighborhood. She added that the matter has been informed through and asked to repair the road by July 25 but fell in deaf ears.
Sembiyo haiduna khoi je hanjan hairabane ba adu sembaje sumo sembidi mamangda bot mamangda sembane na sembi bise oi de sim chawna jan buga de quality maintain tawde madula jo koi kana jaina bise yam ma thokre ba jana sembiyo quality maintain tawdu sim chawbuga sana ba lambi sembiyo khoi de ba abo sim thumni ade lambi je patra badina ta chak hoya kuma kun me an kun ta kana nai nang ta re ha ngano kun nang de ba lai ba yadre lai ba me am se Ana yung sa laya lagi ang gani mo ni siya di ba siya mo may amsa accident po pa kayo masa accident po pa kung wala kita wala sing kayo may amo mo to ko sing mo may amsa di juk kanini lambi se pare kadi loinamaki afabu oidunidana daida kaiguba response am tapiraktabanina akone tang mapandagi lambi se matang pattana tinjanjaragane na ngasai tete yendisi tinjanba khujudi
32 women representatives from various organizations, including All Manipur, Nupi Marup, Manipur Kaitel, Nupi Marup, and Roadside Vendor Welfare Association left Infal today for New Delhi to participate in a protest at Jantar Mantra demanding women reservation bill. Speaking on the matter, President of All Manipur, Nupi Marup Maisnam Ongbi Sakhi said that they have been demanding for women reservation seat in both the parliament and assembly since 25 years. Even though 33% women parliamentary seat was approved in 2010, the Lok Sabha has yet to approve. As a result, 32 women representatives from Manipur left the state today to take part in the protest, which will be held at Jantar Mantar by various women organizations from different parts of India for 9 consecutive days, starting August 1 under National Federation of Indian Women.
Parliament amadi assembly da reserve nupi singi reserve seat thamnana bagi damakta aikoi bharot punamaki oina August ki tarik 1 dagina tarik 8 phawbada dharna jantra mantra da dharna phamba chachari bani sigumda ba dharna phamba chachaba sidaida aikoi Manipur dagi aikoi ngasi miut kunthra gani thoina saruk yaba chachari.
According to an order released by District Election Officer of 4 districts, a program for collection of Aadhaar number from the existing electors and citizens seeking registration number in electoral roll will be launching from 1st August. The Infal West District, the program will be held at the Kumbire Hall Deputy Commissioner Office Complex starting from 11:30 a.m., whereas for Thoubal and Kakching District, the program will conducted at Deputy Commissioner Conference Hall Thoubal at 11:30 in the morning. And for Jiribam District, program for collection of Aadhaar number will be held at DC Conference Hall at same time. Time for a short break. Keep watching. UGC approved Tauraba Sivalik Institute of Paramedical Technology, Chandigarh, CPET Amadi, Saraswati Group of College da Nursing, Paramedical, Pharmacy, Physiotherapy na Jingba, Tambiningba Signa admission Taubiba Yaragani. Offer Tawariba courses sing adudi Nursing da, Paramedical da, Pharmacy da, Amadi, Physiotherapy da. Courses sing asi tambining singna installment basis da fee thiba yabagi khudong chabasu pizari loinana nupa amasung nupi gi separate hostel facility su laigani amadi tamba loiraba matung 100% job placement su pizagani akak naba set ni last date of admission na July 31st ni akopa marol gi damak ekhoi gi mobile number 9915337280 amadi 9501189248 ta call tawiro. Welcome after the break. Food Safety Administration in Infal West, in collaboration with Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, today organized a walkathon and Eat Right Mela on a theme Eat Safe, Eat Healthy and Eat Sustainable at the IMA Hall, Lamphilpat. Director of Health Services, Dr. Sasikumar Mangank, Designated Officer Food Safety Administration, T. Bozendro Kaba Meite, Deputy Secretary Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Sonia Oinam attended the function. Speaking on the sideline of the event, Designated Officer T. Bozendro Kaba Meite said as a part of 75 years of Indian independence celebration as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the event was held to give a message of walkathon and consuming healthy food. He said going for a walk is beneficial to health. It's a kind of physical exercise and it is prevents from cardiovascular diseases. He further said diseases like anxiety, depression, cancer can be cured with physical exercise and walking. ICDS in providing nutritional food so that disease like anemia can be prevented in women.
Ngasidi waklathon amadi Eat right mela tawbu matamda partna achouba saruk ama lobiduna asugumba makal gi fortification gi manamda wa ngangbi dana lecture pb dana amadi practically demonstration tawduna lakpiriba ichilina khudingmakta ekoi communicate tawnaba hona jabani yamna maru oiribadi mayam sigi matakta akoi manipur leriba mi sing ase meat and meat items mayam ama chari adu ngasi di expert scientist la aga ekoi na chari ba meat sing ase hygienic oiribra oidabra meat karam na kakkani meat karam na preserve tawgani haibana sing ba sing ase research scholar scientist doctor sing lengbi ra aga ekoi de awareness pibi bani india gi manung da leriba manipur su no manatraga no madi ekoi soidana healthy india haibase masidai da ekoi je achang mami oi amo oiragani.
Bijli Mahotsav and Ujala Divas were observed as a part of Ujjwal Bharat, Ujjwal Bhavishya under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav at Wabagai, Mayai Laikai, Kakching district today. The observance was organized by Ministry of Power and Ministry of New and Renewable Energy and Manipur government. Wabagai MLA Dr. U. Diven, Kakching DCS Somorjit Wabagai Jila Parishad member M. Jayanti Kumar attended the observance. MLA Dr. U. Diven said after the introducing prepaid meter system, the state is able to save lots of budget in relates to power supply, and now the government was able to supply power without interruption. A short video regarding the achievement of power supply, universal household electrification, village electrification, distribution system strengthening capacity, addition and HPC, One Nation, One Grid, PZCIL, Renewable Energy, SECI, Consumer Rights, PFC state achievement were also presented during the observance.
Ngasidi Manipur mai gi leiba situation si adum 100% phare haibati koi high biatri marabdi 24 hours da koi laktaba madam khari so dum leiri adu 100% phataga su 80% koi 90% di mayam na koi ningba tu bagi batam adu koi gobel koi le jeiba gobel lamati mamang da papiraba koi gi Bharatiya Janata Party ki gobel sidagi si haurka da matang lakpada ngasidi koi Manipur da mai ki problem lai na si khar makai di solve tawre haibatu thamjage.
Urea fertilizers were made available to Fred Sabam Neta of Salungpam Mayay Laikai, Thoubal district after he had appealed to the Agriculture Minister T.H. Biswazit to address the issue of the lack of fertilizer through social media. Minister T.H. Biswazit saying a team of officials led by Thoubal district agriculture officer and Joy Kumar at Neta's house along with fertilizers. Around 50 bags of fertilizers were distributed to farmers. Fred Sabam Neta expressed gratitude to T.H. Biswazit, the agricultural minister, for making fertilizer available to them. Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated scientists, healthcare providers, professionals and ordinary Indians, noting that with their support, India had been able to firmly face the COVID-19 pandemic while addressing at 42nd convocation of Anna University in Chennai. Describing COVID-19 pandemic as an unprecedented and once-in-a-century crisis, PM Modi said the pandemic tested every country. Similar with everyone's support, India faced the unknown confidently. Every sector in India is filled with new life, whether it is in industry innovation, investment, or foreign trade. Addressing the young graduates, Modi praised the universities, teaching, non-teaching, and support staff, saying that today was not an achievement day, but rather one of ambitions. He continued by praising the parents of their efforts, calling them crucial for the development of their wards and describing them as country builders who were raising the leaders of tomorrow. 2 Indian Air Force pilots were killed on yesterday evening when a twin-seater Indian Air Force MiG-21 jet crashed in Rajasthan's Barmer. At around 9:10 p.m., an accident involving an Indian Air Force MiG-21 trainer aircraft occurred near Barmer when it was in flight for a routine night mission from the Uttarlai Air Base in Rajasthan. Both pilots sustained fatal injuries. The deceased Air Force pilot has been identified as Wing Commander M. Rana and Flight Lieutenant Aditya Balt. The Indian Air Force IAF expresses its sincere condolences on the loss of the two brave IAF pilots and stands strongly with their bereaved families. A court of inquiry has been ordered to investigate the cause of the accident. Two government officers were arrested for taking bribes in separate operation in Assam today. They were caught red-handed while allegedly accepting the bribes, said a police officer. In the first incident, Directorate of Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Assam along with Morrigaon police trapped and arrested District Excise Superintendent of Morrigaon, Barsa Bora Bordoloy, red-handed while accepting bribed money. While in the second incident, a block elementary education officer BEEO SH Nabayoti Sharma was apprehended in Dibrugarh while accepting bribed money. India recorded a total of 20,409 fresh COVID cases along with 32 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,39,79,730. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, the total death toll in India stands at 5,26,258. Taking the daily positivity rate at 5.12%, the total active cases stands at 1,43,988 in the country. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.48% as per the data. According to the Health Ministry, 203.60 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the national-wide vaccination drive. Before we wrap up, let's look to the top headlines once again. NCED has been formed to deal with the activities of vehicle theft in Manipur, says Chief Minister N. Biren. Opposition Congress slams unruly behaviors of the representatives of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha. Residents blocked to approach lands at Segar Road on Tidim against its deplorable condition. Modi congratulates scientists, healthcare providers, professionals, ordinary Indians for their support in fight against COVID-19. India records a total of 20,409 fresh COVID cases along with 32 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours. That's the end of today's bulletin. Thank you for watching.